Okay, to edit your gallery, once you're logged in, go to the left gallery. You can go to add gallery, manage gallery, albums, and so on. For now, we want to add lots of galleries. We can add them to the albums later on. Okay, add gallery and images. Okay, so create a gallery. Basically, it says create a new gallery and type in the title. Over here, you'll see all the galleries that's already been created. If you wanted to, let's say, go to this one and you wanted to add more pictures, go to add files, choose all the pictures you want, all of them or just one, doesn't matter, open, and they'll all be listed over here. Okay, once they've listed, you can then click the start upload. On the right side, you'll see it's 100% done, all done. Now that picture's been added to that gallery. So if I'll go manage galleries, here's all the galleries that's been added. And I think we just added one to confetti. You can see we've got how many images in your normal gallery. You've got 60 and everything else you've got like about one picture. We just added that one to confetti now, so let's open it up. And you'll see them all here. You can now, if I don't want this one here, which I just added, I can go to delete. Okay, and remove it automatically. All done. Okay, so it's adding a picture and removing it from an existing gallery. So for now, these are all your galleries. If you want to add more gallery, click add new gallery, or go here, add gallery, either way. Give it a name. Click OK. And there it is. Just remember, if you want to add pictures to it, you need to go to add gallery or images. So do I want to create a new gallery? No, I've already got it. So I want to look at the one test and I want to add files. Again, choose a file or many files, doesn't matter. Open. There it is listed. Start upload. Showing 100% uploaded. Done. Okay.